Welcome to the Kids Zone channel, children. I am going to tell you about the story of Robo and Robbie the boy. One day, on a hot day, Robbie and Robo went for a long walk. It was very hot and Robbie started sweating. He asked Robo, I wonder why do I sweat? Robo said, let's find out. Robo asked Robbie to wet his hands using a wet towel and blow his breath on the wet place. The wet skin feels cooler, Robbie said. So when it is hot, you sweat to cool your body off. Sweat is mostly water which cools your skin as it dries. So when we are sweating, our body feels cool inside. Okay, children, let's go to the other story of teaching the fly. One sunny morning, two birds were flying in search of a big tree to build a nest. This tree is ideal to build our nest, they both decided. The female bird was about to lay eggs. You take rest, dear. I am going in search of food, the male bird said. A few days later, the bird laid 2 eggs. The male bird said, I am very excited. Wonder when the chicks will come out, the male bird said. The female bird said, have patience, dear. You have to wait for a few more days, the female bird said. Then soon 2 little baby birds came out of the eggs. The male bird said, they are so cute, I am proud of them. Female bird said, they are hungry. Let's find some food for them. The baby birds were growing up fast. The baby birds said, yeah, mommy and papa are back. We are very hungry. They said to their parents. One day, they have grown up enough, they must fly. You are right. Their parents said, come out from the nest. The sky is all yours. Enjoy flying, their parents said. The baby bird said, no, please don't say that. We can't fly, we will drop down. They scared about flying. Then the parents said, you can please try. But they did not listen to their parents. They were afraid of flying. One day, mom and dad are getting late today. They were waiting for their parents. I don't know how long we have to wait. We will die of hunger, the birds said. The baby birds talked with each other. Better we try to fly and find food on our own. Both birds decided. Then they tried to fly. We are falling down. Mummy, help, they cried. Then they tried to fly. Here we are flying. At last, they tried a lot and started flying. They felt great. Then they said, feeling great. Their parents were just nearby watching over them. Well done, my little babies, the mother said. We just played a trick by trying to make you fly. Then all the family, they started flying to a distant place in search of food. So we must teach our children to live in their own legs. Okay, children? Thank you, children. If you like this channel, press the like button and subscribe to this channel, children. So children, everybody should do their work themselves. From the story we can understand this. Okay, thank you children.